Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and today we're working on using up our washi tape, but specifically making labels and written, little embellishments to our junk journals and our ephemera, and our tags and little pretties. So today, you've probably got a lot of washi tape, and you think, oh, I don't know how to use it necessarily. So we had a bunch of ideas for making these little labels. So let's just here's one little one. Oh, stuck. Let's see here, let me try this way. So there's one. So this was a roll of washi tape that has like labels on it, pre-made labels, but if you have solid colored washi tape, that would work as well. For making the labels, I did end up using, I've got a couple different kinds here, but the black Sharpie actually worked the best. Some of the washi tape is a little bit non-porous, and the other two didn't work as well, and they kind of smeared. So the black Sharpie permanent marker did work the best. So just so you know that. All right, let's see here. I added this one. It's okay. I wasn't real fond of it. Maybe it's the word, I don't know. But I really liked this kind of effect. And when you're writing words, sometimes we can do like these kind of inspirational words like faith, love, think, time, live, laugh, and all that sort of stuff, but and love, but tree names, botanical names are really good resources too, like flower names and things like that are really good go-tos. Spice names for coming up with words to create. So this is one I did with, where's that washi tape? It was this washi tape, and it just says notes on it. So let's see here. So yep, here's another one like that. I have this washi tape. This was originally from a set that I got from, I think it was Japan, and they didn't, some of the washi tape, it was for like bullet journaling, and it really didn't work because the dates were wrong. Like they didn't really know the calendar very well. So some of it I'm just, using, but the ledger is right here. So that looks really cool. And this one as well. This is for like maybe a ruler, I think is what that was supposed to be. And that's this one. So another quick tip is that I really didn't like the cursive when I tried to use the cursive, and I was also not using the permanent marker. I was using this zig calligraphy. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but the ones that I liked the best really had the uppercase letters. So I think that's also a good tip too. So uppercase letters works really good. I made a bunch. I have like these, I showed you them before, these two sets where they have each little labels. But if you have the solid colored washi tape, which I don't have, this will work just as well. And so these are kind of the words that I came up with. And I don't know if you'll notice again, but all of these have the uppercase printed letters, and then this one has the cursive sort of, and I didn't like it that much. So I decided to just stick with the uppercase print. So that's what I thought looked the best. So, and these labels just happen to be really high gloss, so I can, when I want to use them, I can just take them off and put them on paper because they're not, yeah. All right, so some of the washi tape has, oh, I seem to have misplaced it, but you get the idea. It's basically, it has pre-printed letters. So here's an example of one where I used the pre-printed labels to add it. That was another example. Here was another one. It said, if not now, when, and I added it there. I added this one on here, and I thought there was one more. Nope, just imagined that. Maybe had a plan for it. Okay, so this one was one of these labels. See if you can spot it. It's like a Game by Spy. Where is the label? Okay, it says Charm, and that one I just put down at the bottom. So I should have put it at an angle. That probably would have looked better. I wonder if I can redo it. Let's try it. Because I think that was high gloss paper I put it on, so I can probably redo it. Once you put it on like a book page or something, forget about it. It is staying there. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks better. Much. Okay. So those are my ideas. Like I said, the solid color washi tape really works well. I didn't have any, all of mine are bright colors, dark. Those don't work very well. So, you know, just try to find your solid, light colored washi tape. If you're lucky enough to have anything with like labels, you know, that would be really fantastic. So, but you know, I've had these for so long and I thought, I don't know what I'm ever going to use those for. And now with junk journaling, turns out they're actually really useful. So, all right, so I did pull out some orangey ones. So, let's just see here. I'm going to try this one. I know, because I was like, oh, there's a lot of orange, but they go in like rainbow order. So you get a bunch of red and then a bunch of orange and then a bunch of yellow. All right, so there's that one. Yeah, that looks cute. I can dig it. All right. And now I've got a sewing one, which is orange, but I don't think rusty or spicy goes quite with that. What about this? I don't know. We'll do spicy. Why not? He's pretty colorful. We'll do spicy. Why not? Ooh. What do you think? Is it going to be cute? Is it going to be too much? Is it going to be good? Look at that. Looks good. Oh, my ass needs a little help. Sounded like Halloween spice. Spooky. Not spicy. All right, so there's that one. Yeah. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. All right, I've got a cat. Oh, we could do softly. I mean, I don't have to, but there we go. Softly. Okay, put those up there. All right. Maybe mahogany. Yeah, and it's kind of nice if you just create these ahead of time. I don't know. I kind of want that down there on the butterfly. There we go. And let's see. You don't get one. How about lilac for this one? There we go. Curry. Oh yeah, look at that. Not everything has to be at an angle. straight actually looks really cute. Okay, well, this is fun. All right, well, there you go. That's a bunch of ideas and the different types of washi tapes that you can use, the pen that you should use, and yeah. So, and then later I can just kind of pop that onto something after I tear it and distress it and all that fun stuff. So, yeah. All right. Well, I hope you found this helpful, and now you have a few ideas for how to use some washi tape in your junk journals. So I hope you give this a try. It's pretty fun. You can also tear the washi tape in half. So if you feel like it's too thick and you want it to be smaller, you know, a tinier label, yeah, just tear it in half and then it gives a nice tearing effect. Okay, that's all. That's all I have. All right, as usual, thanks for coming along, and talk to you later.